Did you know that the scraps you throw away every day could actually transform your garden into a powerhouse of life? Backyard composting is simpler than you think, and today I'll explain how it works, why it matters, and how you can start making black gold right at home. Welcome back to the channel. Here we explore practical ways to garden smarter and live more sustainably. If you want healthy soil, bigger harvests, and less waste going to landfills, composting is one of the best habits you can start. Stick around to the end, because I'll share the exact steps to keep your compost thriving year-round. Compost is simply the natural breakdown of organic materials like food scraps, leaves, and garden waste. Microorganisms, worms, and fungi all work together to recycle nutrients, turning waste into a soil amendment that improves structure, fertility, and water retention. In other words, compost feeds your soil, and your soil feeds your plants. Here's the simple formula. Compost needs greens and browns. Greens are nitrogen-rich materials like vegetable peels, grass clippings, and coffee grounds. Browns are carbon-rich like dried leaves, cardboard, and straw. The balance is key. Too much green and your pile smells. Too much brown and it breaks down too slowly. Start with a binner pile in a shaded, well-drained spot. First, add a layer of browns like sticks or shredded cardboard. Then, alternate layers of greens and browns like a lasagna. Keep the pile moist but not soggy, and turn it every couple of weeks to give it air. Within a few months, you'll see dark, crumbly compost forming at the bottom. Some common mistakes include adding meat, dairy, or oily foods which attract pests. Another mistake is letting the pile get too wet, causing odors. And finally, not turning the pile often enough, which slows everything down. Stick to plant-based scraps, balance greens and browns, and turn the pile for the best results. When your compost is ready, it smells earthy and feels crumbly. This rich material adds nutrients, improves soil texture, and helps your garden hold water during dry spells. I've seen tired garden beds completely revived after just one season of composting. It not only reduces what we send to landfills, but also creates healthier food and a healthier planet. Composting is nature's recycling system, and it's available to anyone with even a small yard. Start simple, stay consistent, and watch your garden transform. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and become part of the family. Together, we can grow healthier gardens and a more sustainable future.